Look at the next example, that is C2H6. Okay, C2H6. In this example, there are 2 carbon atoms, 6 hydrogen atoms. We can also write this C2H symmetrically like CH3, both are same. CH3 twice means C2H6, both are same. Here the carbon atom has 4 valence electrons, okay, 4 valence electron, and the other carbon atom has 4 valence electrons. Each carbon atom having 3 hydrogen atoms. Get it? Each carbon atom having 3 hydrogen atoms. You know, the hydrogen have single valence electron. Okay, hydrogen has single valence electron. This carbon atom has also, it has 3 hydrogen atoms. Is it? Here, these hydrogen atom have 1 less electron to complete duplet. Get it? 1 less electron. That's why it shares the electron between carbon and hydrogen. Okay, I am directly writing the bond structure. Okay, that is, this hydrogen shares with the electron of carbon, and this hydrogen shares with the electron of carbon, and this as like this. Okay, this hydrogen duplet complete, it is happy. This is also duplet complete, it is happy. This is also duplet complete, it is happy. Here also this hydrogen shares with these carbon atoms. This is also duplet complete. This is also duplet complete. This is also duplet complete. All the hydrogens are happy. What about the carbon atom? Here already it has 4 valence electron and it bonds with the 3 hydrogen atom and becomes 7. 1 less electron to form octet structure. Okay, here these two carbon atom 1 less electron, that's why these shares 1 less electrons, no, that's why these shares the electrons between carbon atom and it will form a bond that we call it as covalent bond. Okay, this now you will count it. Now you count it, that is this carbon atom having 8 electrons and octet complete. Octet complete. ಹೇಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 4 ಇರುತ್ತೆ and with 3 hydrogen atom 3, 4 plus 3 7 and with this 8. Get it? This ಇದನ್ನು ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ? This has 4 already and 3 from hydrogen and 1 from this carbon atom. This type of sharing of an electrons we call it as covalent bond. Already you know. Okay. Then this carbon atom form octet structure, octet electrons. Okay, 100 octet structure na follow ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ and this will also a octet complete. Okay. Then C2H6 is stable compound. Get it? Then go to the next example. Next example ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ? That is CO2. Till we studied only single bonded compounds. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನಾವು ಏನು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? Single bond compounds ನ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Now we are going to study double bond and triple bond compounds ನ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. I am taking the example now, that is CO2. Okay, CO2. Here, which is the central atom? ಯಾವುದು ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಮೆಟಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ, ಇದು ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, CO2 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವುದು ಮೋರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಥ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ 2 ಇದೆ, 1 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಂಥ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಒಂದೇ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಎರಡು ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದಾಗ ನಾವು ಏನನ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು ವೇಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಬಿಗ್ಗರ್ ಇನ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಗೆಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೇಸ್ CO2 ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ we know carbon as 4 valence electron. Okay, 4 valence electrons. Okay, and oxygen has how many electrons? 6 valence electrons. Get it? Here carbon is the central atom. It has 4 valence electrons. And oxygen, okay, oxygen, it has 6 valence electrons. 4 valence electrons on the carbon atom. How we can draw for our convenience ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡೇ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ 4 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ತನ್ನ ಎರಡೆರಡು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ನ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಜೊತೆ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ದೀಸ್ valence electron I am representing 2 here and I am representing 2 here. And the oxygen atom 1 2 3 4 5 6 I am representing here. Okay, it has oxygen has 6 valence electrons. Here also the oxygen has 6 valence electron. Okay, here this oxygen have to complete octet structure. It has 2 less electrons and carbon has 4 less electron and oxygen has 2 less electrons. That's why to complete the octet structure, the carbon and oxygen both they will share with carbon and oxygen and it will form a double bond. Okay, double bond na formation ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Then this oxygen has 6 plus 2 electrons, 8 electrons, octet complete. Octet complete. Here what about the carbon atom? Carbon has 4 electrons and it shares with the combines with these two oxygen with the 4 electrons. That's why it is also octet complete. Get it? And it has also 6 electrons and it can combine with the carbon atom with the 2 electrons and sharing with that it will form 8 electrons and octet complete. Get it? This is the Lewis dot structure for the CO2 compound and it has CO2 has 2 double bonds with the carbon atom and oxygen atom. Get it? Are you clear with that? Okay. Here the remaining two. Okay. These are, we call it as lone pair electrons. ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? Because they does not involving in the bonding with this atom. Okay, bonding in the compound. Okay, these electron does not involve in the bonding. That's why we call it as lone pair electrons. These two we call it as ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? lone pair. Okay, in this compound there are 4 pairs of lone pair electrons. In this compound ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು lone pair electrons ಇದೆ? 4 lone pair electrons ಇದೆ. Get it? Are you clear with that? Then we go to the next example, that is NH3. Okay, here which is the central elemental atom? Central atom ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ನೀವೇ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಯಾವುದು central atom ಅಂತ. ಯಾವುದು central atom? Here 1 nitrogen and 3 hydrogen atom. Okay, NH3 single ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಯಾವುದು? ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್. Okay, 3 hydrogen atoms ಇದೆ. Here in this nitrogen atom has how many valence electrons? Sorry, there are 5 valence electrons. Okay, nitrogen atom has 5 valence electron and hydrogen atom has 1 valence electrons. Okay, it has 5 valence electron and 3 hydrogen. That can I am writing like that, and 2 hydrogen. In nitrogen I am representing like that because there are 3 hydrogen atoms. That's why I am writing like that. Okay, hydrogen, there are 3 hydrogen, each hydrogen has single electrons. Okay. To form a duplet, hydrogen has one less electron. That's why it combines with the nitrogen having the valence electron, one of the valence electron, and it will form duplet and it will become happy. Okay. ಯಾಕೆ happy ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? Duplet complete ಆಗುತ್ತೆ hydrogen. That's why. It is also shares one electrons with the nitrogen. It is also shares one electrons with the nitrogen. It will also form duplet, and that's why this hydrogen become happy, and it will form duplet. That's why this hydrogen become happy. What about the nitrogen? Nitrogen have 3 less electron, and these bonds with the 3 hydrogen atom, then it will become happy because it also forms 8 electrons, that is octet complete. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇದು 8 electrons ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 5 plus 3, it has 8 electrons and it will become octet complete. Get it? Octet complete. That's why the nitrogen also become happy. This electron we call it as lone pair electron. ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? Lone pair electrons, because these 2 electrons does not involve in the bonding. That's why we call it as lone pair electron. Get it? Okay. Go to the next example, that is N2. N2 ಹೋಗೋಣ. Okay. This N2, both are N and N. There is no central metal atom. Okay. Both are N and N. Nitrogen itself is a central metal atom. Okay. The nitrogen has 5 valence electrons. Already you know 5 valence electrons. How we will write? There are 2 nitrogen atom. There are 5 ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ valence electrons. Okay, here I am writing like 1 2 3 1 2 3 2 electrons. This nitrogen has atom having 5 electron. This nitrogen atom has also 5 electrons. Get it? Here this nitrogen, okay, first ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ತರ ಬರೆಯೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಈ ತರನೇ ಬರೆದು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಬರೆದ್ರಿ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರೆದ್ರಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಡ. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ಗುಡ್ ವೇ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಿಯರ್ nitrogen has 5 valence electrons. It needs 3 more electron to get octet complete. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಒಂದು ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 more electrons ಬೇಕು ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಕ್ಟೇಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗೋಕೆ. ಆಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಈ ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಕೂಡ 3 more electrons ಬೇಕು ಆಕ್ಟೇಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ. That's why 3 electrons in each of the nitrogen shares a bond with the other nitrogen of 3. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ? ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಈ ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ 5 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಈ ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಇನ್ನ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು 3 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್. ಬೋತ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ. ಆಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಇಟ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ 3 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ 3 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಇದು ಬಾಂಡ್ ನ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it will become 8 electron and it will become 8 electron. Then octet complete. Both are octet complete. That's why it's bonds with 3. Okay, that we call it as ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? Double bond, triple bond ಅಂತೀವಲ್ವಾ? Has like that this nitrogen N2 form 3 bonds with the other nitrogen atom. Okay, these nitrogen shares a bond with 3 electrons in the valence shell of other nitrogen. Then it will form octet complete. Electrons, 8 electrons, 8 electrons. Before they have 5 electrons, 5 electrons. After sharing a 3 pair, not 3 pair, 3 electrons in each of the nitrogen atom, and it will become 8 electrons and octet complete. And this is also octet complete. Octet complete. Then both nitrogen become stable. Get it? This is 8 electrons. This is electron. 8 electrons. These both nitrogen become 8 electron. they are stable. What about these two electrons? We call it as lone pair electrons. ಯಾವುದು ಬಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗಿರುವೋ ಎರಡು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಲೋನ್ ಪೈರ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Get it? Are you clear with this concept? Then we are going to study that is C2H4. C2H4 ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? Then we go to the next example, that is C2H4. Okay. Here already we know that C2H4, you know, carbon has 4 valence electrons. Gothide. Hydrogen has 1 valence electron. Get it? Here 4 hydrogen atom, 2 carbon atom. Get it? 4 hydrogen atom and 2 carbon atoms. Okay. Here the carbon needs other 4 electrons to form ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ? Carbon has how many electrons it needs? 4 more electrons. I am writing C and 2 hydrogen atoms above and below ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. It has 1 electrons and it has 2. This carbon has 2 and more 2 ಬರಿಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? I am writing here because here only 2 hydrogen atom and each of the carbon atom. Okay. Here also I am writing here. This carbon needs, it has 4 valence electrons and it needs 4 more electrons. Okay. Here 2 from hydrogen, it will form 6 electrons and it also needs 2 more electrons to form octet complete. ಹೌದಾ? ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಹತ್ರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 2 more electrons sharing from hydrogen atom. This hydrogen atom, it has duplet complete. This is also duplet complete. They become happy. Here it has single electrons. It is not leave alone. It form or share a bonds with this carbon atom and it will form duplet complete. It is happy. It is also happy because it shares electrons with the carbon atom. This carbon atom has 6 electrons. This carbon atom also having 6 electrons. 2 more electrons to form octet. Okay, that's why it readily shares with the electrons of neighboring carbon atom and it will become, this carbon become 8 electrons. It octet complete. Octet complete and it is stable. This is also forms 8 electrons. This also octet complete and it is stable. Get it? There is no lone pair of electrons in this compound. Get it? Okay, clear? Then we go to the next examples, that is C2H2 na study ಮಾಡೋಣ. Okay na? Here you know C2H2 ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? This carbon atom 8 electrons ಇದೆ, this ಇದರಲ್ಲೂ 8 electrons ಇದೆ, octet complete ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ stable compound ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, then we go to the C2H2. Okay, C2H2. Here this compound having 2 carbon atom, 2 hydrogen atom. Okay, here 1 hydrogen atom, here 1 hydrogen atom. Each carbon has tetravalency. There are 4 valence electrons, 1 valence electron here. I am writing 3 more electrons here, 3 more electrons here, 1 valence electron here. This needs 4 more electrons and this needs 4 more electrons to form octet complete. This hydrogen needs 1 more electron to form duplet complete. This hydrogen needs 1 more electrons to form duplet complete. Get it? That's why this hydrogen shares bonds with the carbon atom. It forms duplet complete. That's why it become happy. This hydrogen also, it form a bonds with carbon atom. It will form a duplet complete. It become happy. What about the these two carbon atom, here 4 plus 1 5 electrons, 4 plus 1 5 electrons, and again it needs 3 more electrons to form octet complete. That's why it shares a bonds with the neighbor compound of 3 valence electron and it will form a triple bond. Okay, ಎಂತ bond ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಇದನ್ನ triple bond ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Get it? Triple bond. Get it? Then this carbon having 5 plus 3 electrons. This is 5 plus 3. This is 5 plus 3. It become 8. It become 8. Then both are octet complete. Octet complete and become stable compound. Get it? In this compound there is no lone pair of electrons. Get it? All the valence electrons should already bonds with the other compounds. That's why there is no lone pair electrons in this compound. Get it? Okay. Thank you. Go to the next examples.